Okay, I guess we'll just call this part 3. Because I forgot about my little Alex cart, and I love this thing. But also, all my washi is here. I think I got these little things at Michael's, but they are perfect for my washi tape. And they sit right up under my project table on top of my Alex cart. So all my wood veneers are in this top drawer. This is all my mink foils and things. My actual mink is in this drawer with some portrait pictures. This is all my heat transfer vinyl and a few t-shirts and things that I want to do. Extra punches. A few more punches and some empty space. So there we go. Conclusion. Y'all have a great